This is phase shift keying modulation and demodulation trainer. Order code of this trainer is 40507. On the panel you can see different circuit diagram is provided. So you can trace the circuit according to panel and get familiar with different section of PSK modulation and demodulation. On the panel, 4 main circuits are provided. This section is carrier generator section, and output of this section is available on at this terminal. This is carrier output terminal. This is carrier generator section. So output of this section is available at this terminal, carrier output terminal, and this is data generator section. And different data are available at these terminals D1, D2, D3 and D4. 4 data output are available at these terminals. This section is PSK modulator section. This terminal is for carrier input. You can connect the carrier output terminal to carrier input terminal. This is for data input, data output. These are different data outputs. You can connect any one output to this data input terminal. This is PSK output, PSK modulator section. Output of the PSK modulator section is available at this terminal. This is ground terminal. This section is PSK demodulator section. PSK input terminal. Output of this PSK modulator section can be connected to PSK input terminal of PSK demodulator section. This is carrier input terminal. You can connect the carrier output terminal to carrier input terminal of PSK demodulator, and this is the output of PSK demodulator section, demode output. Output of the demodulator is available between these two terminals. This is ground terminal and this is output terminal. So you can connect the CRO between these two terminals for observation of demodulated signal. This is on-off switch. Carrier output. This is ground terminal, common for all terminals. So carrier output, you can see on the CRO screen, this is your carrier. Data generator section, this is data generator section. Different data D1, this is D1 data waveform. This is D2 waveform. D3, now CRO is connected to D3 and this is D3 waveform. This is D4 and this is D4 waveform. Now we are going to do experiment of this trainer to study the generation of the phase shift keyed output and also to demodulate the PSK output. For this experiment, detailed procedure is given in our manual. Now we are going to connect page code according to the procedure. Connect the any one data output terminal to data input of PSK modulator section. Suppose D1 is connected to data input terminal of PSK modulator section and carrier input terminal connected to carrier output terminal of carrier generator section. So now your carrier is connected to PSK modulator section and data D1 is connected to data input terminal of PSK modulator section, and PSK phase shift keyed output is available between these two terminals, PSK output and ground, between PSK output and ground terminal. Switch on the supply. This is your PSK output, phase shift keyed output. At one channel you can connect data and other channel you can connect the PSK output. So on the second channel we have connected PSK output, second channel of CRO. We have connected PSK output, and first channel of CRO we are going to connect data D1. You can use this ground terminal for the grounding of CRO channel 1. So now this is your data D1 waveform, and this is your PSK output waveform. This is the output of PSK modulator section, and this is the output of data generator. This is D1 output. So you can compare, you can study the PSK with the help of this CRO. Now demodulate the PSK output. For this experiment we have to connect PSK output, remove the CRO and connect the PSK output, switch off the supply, connect the PSK output to PSK input. PSK input is the input terminal of PSK demodulator section, and connect, this is carrier input terminal, this is carrier output terminal of carrier generator section. So output of the carrier generator section connected to carrier input terminal of PSK demodulator section. Now PSK input is connected and carrier input is also connected. Channel 1 of CRO is connected to D1 data, and channel 2 of the CRO we are going to connect this second channel of CRO between demode output, demodulated output of PSK demodulator section. And now channel 2 of CRO is connected between demode output terminals. This is the output terminal of PSK demodulator section. Switch on the supply. Now this is your input data D1, and this is the received data output of the demodulator section, PSK demodulator section. So this is your D1 which you have connected to input terminal of PSK modulator, and this is your output which you have received from PSK demodulator section. So this is your phase shift keying modulation and demodulation. You can study the different waveform and different circuit diagram with the help of this trainer. So trainer is phase shift keying, modulation and demodulation trainer. Order code of this trainer is 40507.